Every great bag of Lay's chips begins in carefully managed potato farms, where ideal soil and climate produce potatoes with exceptional quality. Beneath the surface, these mature potatoes develop the perfect balance of starch and moisture needed for crispy, golden potato chips. Once fully grown, powerful harvesting machines gently lift thousands of potatoes from the soil while minimizing damage to every crop. Built-in conveyor systems remove loose soil and debris, preparing freshly harvested potatoes for transportation to the processing factory. The cleaned potatoes are loaded into large transport trucks and delivered quickly to one of the world's most advanced snack factories. Every shipment arrives under strict quality standards before entering the highly automated production line for further processing. The potatoes travel along massive conveyor belts, where production begins with a series of carefully controlled inspection systems. Advanced optical scanners instantly detect damaged or defective potatoes, ensuring only the highest quality potatoes continue through production. Quality control specialists perform additional inspections to guarantee consistency before washing and preparation begin. Large rotating washing drums remove dirt, stones, and field debris using powerful streams of clean water and continuous rotation. Industrial brushes gently scrub every potato, leaving each one completely clean before moving to the peeling process. After washing, spotless potatoes continue along the conveyor, ready for the next stage of automated production. High-pressure steam loosens the potato skins, allowing automated peelers to remove them quickly while reducing food waste. Within seconds, perfectly peeled potatoes emerge clean and smooth, ready for precision slicing. Ultra-sharp rotating blades slice every potato into perfectly thin pieces with incredible speed and remarkable consistency. Maintaining identical thickness ensures every potato slice cooks evenly, producing the signature crunch Lay's chips are famous for. The slices are rinsed in cool, flowing water to remove excess starch and prevent them from sticking together. Powerful air systems remove surface moisture, preparing every slice for the high-temperature frying process ahead. The potato slices enter enormous industrial fryers filled with carefully filtered vegetable oil at precisely controlled temperatures. As moisture escapes, the slices gradually transform into crispy golden chips with their familiar texture and delicious flavor. Freshly fried chips leave the fryer while excess oil drains away before the seasoning process begins. The warm chips enter rotating seasoning drums, where flavor powders are evenly applied across every single chip. Continuous tumbling ensures every chip receives a perfectly balanced coating of delicious seasoning from edge to edge. Finished chips travel rapidly toward fully automated packaging machines operating with incredible speed and precision. Highly accurate weighing equipment measures the exact quantity of chips required for every individual package. Each bag is filled with nitrogen gas, protecting the delicate chips from breaking while preserving freshness during transportation. The sealed bags move through final quality checks before being packed into cartons for shipment across the country. From carefully grown potatoes to advanced automation, every bag of Lay's chips is now ready to reach millions of snack lovers worldwide.